friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's makeup video. Today we're going to be trying out a lot of Colourpop goodies. We're going to be trying out the It's a Mood palette that recently came out. So beautiful for fall. We're also going to be trying out these cheek dews that are very new to my collection, and a couple of Colourpop Lippie Stix. I'm super excited to share these with you all. This is the look we created. I hope you enjoy makeup videos as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I know you want to see more of my content out here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started by trying out all these Colourpop goodies that I have for you today. So we're gonna start off with this palette. I have the It's a Mood palette by Colourpop, and I'm sure you've already seen it on Instagram or online, but I think it's absolutely beautiful. Look at all those beautiful shades right there. I actually created a look for Instagram that I should be uploading very soon if it's not already uploaded. And I used this line right here in the center. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I do have a whole new Instagram account for beauty and for makeup. So that is Brenda's Beauty Faves. I will leave my Instagram handle and all my information down in the description box below for you all. But I did create this look and that should be uploaded soon, or it might be uploaded already. So I think that I want to create a look for you all today with this line right here, the blues. And on a future upcoming video where I try out a more affordable makeup, I'll create a very simple and very nice look with the green line. I want to create a look with every single line in here, but I'm going to go with the blues because that's a little bit different for my channel. So we're going to go ahead and try that out today. So I'm very excited. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this shade up here, and that is called You and I, and I'm going to put that all over the crease. So now that I have my crease ready, I want to go into this one right here, and it's called Don't Deny. It's like a deep aqua shade and it looks beautiful here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I did apply some translucent powder right underneath, just so if I have any fallout, it's a little bit easier for me to clean, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have fallout with this shadow. So I'm gonna place the shadow right here, and I'm gonna bring it to the crease just a little bit. So next up, I didn't know which one of these two shades I wanted to use. This has a little bit of more glitter on it, and then this one is a little bit more shimmering. Let me show you. So I swatched them right here. As you can see, this one has a more glitter, and then this one is just like a shimmer. So I think I'm gonna go with the glitter one, just so we can see how that works out. And then this one, we can actually just smudge it on the lower lash line. So I did take my flat brush and I did spray it, just so I can get a little bit more control of that glitter. And we're gonna see how this works out. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. So I'm going to go back into this shade right here and just try to blend everything out and add a little bit more depth on the outer corner. I did want to mention that the shadows that I have been using, like the deeper ones, do have kick up in the pan. It does not bother me at all, but I wanted to mention it to you all in case you're curious about that. Next up, I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's called For a Night, and we're going to smudge that in the lower lash line. Next step, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Feels Like, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner. all I did was add some lashes, some liner, and some mascara on the lower lash line. And that is about it. And I finished my look for today. It is way different than what I'm used to, but I actually really like it. And I think these shadows are absolutely amazing. We'll be creating another look with this palette coming very soon to the channel. I think these are very pretty and all these colors are perfect for fall time. But now I have another item that I want to try out from Colourpop, and it is the Colourpop Cheek Dew Serum Blush, and it looks like this. I went ahead and picked up the color Bubbles right here. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So this is what the color looks like. I think it's going to pair perfectly with our eye look today. I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. All right, so that is what it looks like right there. And look at how gorgeous that shade is. I think that is perfect for this time of year. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm a little bit nervous because I do have powder already, a little bit of powder, but this is how I usually apply my blushes. I have my brush right here, and I will go directly to the product that I had on my hand, and I'm going to start applying. Look at how pretty that shade is. I was a little nervous about them, but look at how gorgeous. Let me add a little bit more on my back of my hand. I definitely recommend you adding some on the back of your hand. And then here I'm going to go with my brush. I'm going to start from the back of my cheeks all the way forward. Wow, so gorgeous. They're blending out like a dream, guys. Honestly. Let's see if we can build it up. Definitely buildable. A little bit on my nose, just like that, like a little sunburn. And there we have it. What do you all think? So another really good find right here. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot, and I'm definitely going to check out new colors as well. This was around $6, guys, and you only need a little bit of this, and it's definitely going to give you a very nice flush to your cheeks. You can obviously top it off with blush if you want. We'll go ahead and do that just so you can see, but I would leave it like this on its own. It's a very pretty. I would top it off with a little bit of translucent powder because I'm oily, but I think it's gorgeous. And it leaves such a beautiful shine and dew to your cheeks. Again, I have mine in the color Bubbles right here. Such a gorgeous shade for the fall. I have this blush from LA Colors in the color Spice, and I think this would be a great blush to top this off if you want to add some powder. I really like the combination of these two, and this was by LA Colors in the color Spice. Very pretty. You can find this at Dollar Tree actually for only $1. Last but not least, we do want to end with our lips. These are not new to my collection. I've had them in my collection. I have the color Lippie Stix in the color Candy Paint and Topanga. And these are amazing, guys. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you. So definitely very different in color. I think we're going to stick with Candy Paint today. Maybe add a little bit of Topanga. But I just wanted to show you these because they're absolutely amazing. They're great quality and very affordable. And again, these are just the color Lippie Stix right here. And they have a ton of different colors. I do not have any Colourpop lip liners, but I'm going to go into one of my favorites, Milani Lip Liner in the color, let's see, this one is called Sienna Style. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So now we're going to go in with the Lippie Stick, and this is in the color Candy Paint. I don't know if this one's available because it might have been just like on a release that they had, but there's a lot of similar colors online. I will link some below, and I'm just going to apply this. They're fabulous, guys. I kind of just want to leave it like this. Well, you know what? For the sake of the video, let's just add a little bit of Topanga in the center. And this is the completed look, my friends. I love the way it turned out. Definitely went a little bit out there with my shadow because I always love to keep it neutral. but I think it looks very, very beautiful. So let's just start with my final thoughts, which I think you already know. The It's a Mood palette is a must-have if you need a new palette for fall time or an everyday palette that has a lot of neutral colors. This is the one you need. Look at all these beautiful shades. These shades were very pigmented, easy to blend out, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. This right here is a must-have. I think it's gonna be perfect for fall time and for any day, really, because you can definitely create simple and beautiful looks for every single day with these colors. So I give this a big thumbs up. Next up, we're going into the Cheek Dews, and this one is in the color Bubbles. I absolutely fell in love with these. I did top off mine with a blush just because I'm a little bit oily, but they are beautiful on their own. I'm definitely going to pick up other shades. I give these a big thumbs up. I am just so amazed by them. They're so beautiful and they're easy to blend. Last but not least are the color Lippie Stix. I am not new to these. These are not new to my collection, but they're beautiful and I wanted to share them with you because I don't believe I've shared them before on my channel. They do come in different finishes, like the one in Candy Paint is a matte and Topanga is a satin finish. They're absolutely beautiful, definitely very affordable, and I absolutely love them. So I'm definitely gonna pick up a few more for fall time. But yeah, that's about it, my friends. That's everything I tried out today from Colourpop. Let me know down in the comments below what other kind of look you would like to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, friends.